Greetings, coding enthusiasts. Welcome to the vibrant realm of CodeCraftHub, your digital haven for all things coding and creativity. I'm Aya, your guide on this thrilling journey into the heart of programming artistry. Whether you're a coding prodigy or just dipping your toes into the binary waters, CodeCraftHub is the nexus where innovation meets education. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of coding, one keystroke at a time. Brace yourself for an array of insightful tutorials, hands-on coding challenges, and a lively community eager to share the joy of programming. We believe in the power of collaboration, where diverse minds unite to amplify the artistry of coding. Dive into the latest technologies, explore groundbreaking projects, and witness the magic that happens when lines of code transform into digital masterpieces. CodeCraftHub isn't just a channel, it's a dynamic ecosystem where innovation flourishes. Subscribe now to embark on a coding journey like no other. Let's code, create, and craft the future together. I'm Aya, signing off with a single command. Happy coding, and welcome to the hub of endless possibilities.